Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing the what's in my purse, what's in my bag video. So if you'd like to see this video, just keep on watching. Thank you for sticking around. So let's go ahead and get into the video, but wait. Is it okay if I put on my glasses? Because I can't see a thing. So, now that I got my glasses on, let's go ahead and get into this video. So, this is my bag. It is basically a backpack. I just recently changed it to a backpack because I've been using smaller bags and I've been using like fanny packs or just really something small, or really just carrying my wallet, like a little clutch type of thing too. So firstly, about this bag, I just recently changed over to, it is a Aldo bag, and it is the Adrewien, I'll put the name right here. And I just got it from Ross. It's an Aldo bag. I looked on their site if they had it. They don't. Amazon does sell it, but it is in a different color. I did see red and I did see pink, but the pink is out of stock. But like I said, I did get this bag from Ross. I love this bag. It fits everything perfectly in here, doesn't feel heavy, and it just gives me the satisfaction I need as to what I need to carry. Sometimes I need to carry my medication in here. Just necessities that I need all the time. So first thing is, has the straps on the back, and I also have this little jade crystal on the side to keep me sane, purify me, protect me. I always keep this on the bag. Any bags I have, I keep it on there. So let's go ahead and get inside the bag. Inside the bag, I'll let you guys see before I pull out everything. It's very much organized. This is usually how I like my bags. Very organized, where I can see things. I'm a very organized person, so I just have to have my bag organized. You know what I mean? So first thing is my wallet. I did get this wallet from Amazon. It also has in the middle a little coins slot for you to keep your coins, and I love it because it's small. It's small, and for this backpack you don't have to have a big wallet, so it weighs it down even more. I have this for a couple of months, I want to say, but it's a fairly really good wallet, so check Amazon if you want this kind of wallet. The next thing I just keep two little books in here. This is just a little notebook I keep in here just in case I need to jot down anything, because I do have lupus files where I forget things very easily. So this will come in handy where I will write down everything in it, so I don't forget. I can refer back to it. It's in here, you know what I mean? Then I also keep a word search book where if I have any appointments, pretty backed up, instead of being on the phone. So this I will take. Sometimes I do have two other ones on hand too, but they're not in my bag. I'll either have this one or this one. I just like to keep busy and I like to keep my brain going. So this one I did just have on hand and just keep it with me. I also have some little coupons just stuck to a paper clip, some little coupons. The next thing I have, some Kleenex. I have a Ultimira. I also keep thousands of pens, it seems. I have a receipt. Not sure what receipt is this from. Okay, I have a receipt. That was in the pocket at first. And I have pens, I have a stylus, I have friction pens, a mechanical pencil, a highlighter for my book. Yeah, just a bunch of pens. And as you see, I have an obsession with having cute pens, so I have pink and black. This is actually a Sigma Beauty pen that I got from I'm at last year. I'm trying to get there this year. But yeah, I just like to keep cute pens in here. I also have some mace. Pretty sure we all know what this looks like. But I also keep mace on me, and I keep it in this little pouch because sometimes the little thing that you switch it on it sometimes will turn. So I don't want it to turn in my bag and be just crazy. So the next thing I have is I have a list. I have a little list that really can just go in the garbage because I've already used it. Receipts, coupons. The next thing I have in the pocket area of the bag, I have quite a few lip glosses. This one is the Bath and Body Works lipstick lip gloss. Well, the Bigelow lip. What is this? Lip gloss. I have that. I have the Rosebud lip gloss. I have Carmex Strawberry. I also have Vaseline. I keep it plethora because, listen, you just got to, okay? The next thing I keep in this pocket is some hand creams. I have the Purprin hand cream. I also have some Eucerin. And I keep some Rose Quartz perfume in here. I got this one from Bath and Body Works. I made my own hand sanitizer because I heard that real hand sanitizer like GWRM and all those are not good. So I make a concoction of half water, half alcohol, 75%, I believe it is. And I would just spray some on my hand. You know what I mean? Keep these bad boys clean. So yeah, those are what I have in the pocket. I'm actually trying to put the things back. Like at least the things back that go in the pocket. I'm trying to put those back in here. But then the next thing I have is this pouch that did not come with the bag, but I did add it to the bag because I said, wow, I'm a matchy type of girl. This worked perfectly. So why not? And it keeps everything in one space because see, look at the bag now. I have everything just clean, and it's like I can just, if I want to transfer my stuff into another bag, it's easy. So in this little bag here, I have more goodies. Let me just put these in here. In this bag right here, I have more goodies. I have some extra chili mints. And I have in this little pouch here, I keep extra little like store rewards cards in here. I won't completely take them all out. This is like a business card holder, but it works perfectly to keep your cards in. It's magnetic, like it's good. You know what I mean? Amazon. I also keep a tie pen in here, and I keep it in a baggie just so it doesn't leak out in my bag. If it does, it leaks out in the baggie. So I keep a tie pen. I also keep a toothbrush, some Listerine, and I have this hand sanitizer when times get rough. You know what I mean? Where you feel like the natural solution is not doing its best. I got this as a backup. Keep a comb with me. I keep a hair tie. I keep some Ricolas, cough drops, I keep Band-Aids. I also keep some lens cleaning wipes. Next thing I keep is this Revlon like manicure type of thing. And it looks pretty much like this, just in case you got those hangnails, those nails that is tearing up on you. I have this. And the last thing I have in here is some more lip products. I keep 2 lip liners if I can get it out. I keep 2 lip liners by NYX in here. This one is in Nutmeg and this one is in Espresso. So I keep those 2 in here. I keep a NYX Butter Gloss in here. I also keep another NYX Shine Lip Gloss. This one is in Natural. These 2 look, well, no, they don't look similar. But I try to keep, you know, different colors in my bag just in case. Like, I want to use a different color, but as you can see by the lip color I have on, I like a natural lip. The next thing I keep is a Torrid lip gloss. I also have another butter gloss. This one is in Tiramisu. Did I say what this one was in? Oh, this one is in Fortune Cookie. So again, nudes. The next thing I keep is a Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. As you can see, I have an obsession with lip gloss, with lip pencils. I have an obsession, I'll admit. So yeah, so this is pretty much all the things I keep in here. As you can see, this bag is very deep. It keeps a lot of things, and I love that. So this is basically all the things I keep in here. Sometimes I'll change it around, take out some things, add some things. But for the most part, I try to make sure I keep my bag very much organized and clean. You know what I mean? I love a good clean bag as much as I can keep it. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely stay tuned for the next video. This will be on this look that I have did. This cute, warm, soft fall look makeup that I did do, and keep your eye out on that for that video. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like, and you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And I really truly appreciate for all that has subscribed so far, and welcome. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.